Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aquarius 2018. We discuss about Aquarius financial matter. First of all, January, February, March is very positive month for the financial gain, financial matter, investment, stock market. You have a very gain in this month. Property matters, the property matter is very positive in this years. No negative indication has been observed in the Capricorn horoscope 2018. Children related matters, March is very positive, May is very positive, June is positive, July positive. This month is very positive for your children. If you have not a child, you get a new baby in this month. November is very negative about the children health, new baby born. For please be careful in the month of November. Love matter, March is very positive, May is very positive, June is very positive, July is very positive about the your love relations, love connections, and starting a new relationship. November is very bad for this matters. Education, March, May, June, July. This month has been very positive for your educational matters. You may got successful in this month about your education. Health matters. The whole year is very negative for your health. Please be careful. I also indicate the bad month which may suffer a chronic disease. April is very bad, June is very bad for your health. Litigation matters, that area has been very disturbed in your horoscope, and also chances to may face a major litigation, which month has been indicated April and June. Marriage relationship, the whole year is very positive, but you may have to careful about the month I also indicated November and December. uh, Business and partnership, whole year is very careful, but you have November and December, be careful about the starting a new business. Accidents, in this year's your horoscope has been indicated a major accident or surgery. Please be careful about it. Foreign travel, for foreign travel positive month January, February, May, September, October. This month is very positive for foreign travel, foreign contract, immigration matters, applying a visa. Please take maximum advantages in this years. I also bad mention a bad month June, August is very negative for this purpose. Career, job, promotion, upgradations. The whole year is very positive for your career, job. You may got a promotion, upgradation, name, fame in this whole year, and you have enjoy a time of 2018.